Hi, this is Charlie. This video is to show Jellybean 4.2 working on the Motorola Xoom. And the first thing we'll do is to go into settings and go down to about, and you can see model number Xoom, Android 4.2 working on there. And while we're in there, let's just go up to display and let's just show a quick feature that they add onto there, which is Daydream. And it's like a photo frame, like a screensaver kind of stuff, where while your device is charging or sitting around, you can set it to have your clock, and your clock will display in your screen like a screensaver. Or you can put colors on there, show different colors. It's just something to spice up your device while it sits around. Or you can set it to a photo frame where it will bring up your photos that you have stored on your device or wherever you have it stored on there. I have no photos on there right now, so you wouldn't see any of that. Also new is those of you who've been following will know that the camera have been revamped. So there's a new camera on there, and they have that photo sphere that you just hold the line and you can basically follow those blue dots, and it will just take the entire picture of almost the entire picture of an entire room on there. That's one of the stuff that's one of the new. Let's go back. Oh, sorry, I closed it. Also, let's go back. So that's some picture I took earlier on of using photo sphere, where you can just check the entire room of a picture. Also, right on the screen, you can tap anywhere on the screen and it will bring up your settings for your camera, so you can switch back and forth between your cameras. You can set your flash and go to different options that you have while in there. They also revamp a little bit of, I hope I can get it of Gmail. I have no connection right now, it says. But if I did, they add some kind of swipe. You can swipe away any messages that you don't want on there. What else? On the Xoom, so far, because I just put it in yesterday, so far I haven't gotten the gesture to work yet. Normally gesture would work, but it's not working on that. That's the only thing that's not working on the Motorola Xoom. Apart from that, the Bluetooth, everything else, the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi I had to, for those of you who's trying it, you will have to start your device when you first flash your ROM and you're going through you enter in the device for the first time. What I had to do was enter it without the Wi-Fi connection, then restart my device like I think once or twice, and then it eventually worked for me. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Right now I'm running Nova on top. I'm running Nova launcher on there, so that's why it's going all the way through, and it works pretty good. It's pretty quick. I've had no issues with it in the past couple of days. What else do we have to show? If you're in the lock screen, you have the option of putting widgets. There's a handful of widgets that you can put on there, like your mail. You can put the clock on there. What's that sound? And you can just touch that cross right there and add. There's a few widgets that they have on there you can add, and even have. I think you can go directly to clock. You can add your clock. You can add your camera on there and stuff. But here you just swipe. You go in. So we did the camera. We did. Yeah. So these are a few new things that they have on there. But the main thing I wanted to show that the Motorola Xoom running 4.2, and we all know that. I think we were told that Google will not be updating the Motorola Xoom anymore, but it looked like the Motorola Xoom can hold its own as a device that can run. Hopefully the next couple updates that come, it can support it. So far it is supporting it. It is dealing with it pretty good. So again, 4.2 on the Motorola Xoom.